overall deletion ratio of 70%. Total items that deleted on my credit report is 34 out of 49. My beginning score was 620, and wow, I'm just really mind-boggling. My credit score right now, it's from the beginning to the end. Right now, it's 704 on Equifax, 711 on Experience, and TransUnion is 781. I mean, that's a big jump from what I had from the beginning. I mean, I'm just totally shocked. I don't know. I'm happy if I really now I can buy my wife a house that she wanted. We used to have a house, but I'm just happy. I mean, it works. Let me tell you guys, it works. And this is a living proof. I recommend this place, and if you guys come and sign up, if you guys do need help on fixing your credit, this is the place. Thank you.